One specific food has been throwing away every single year. Do you have any idea what it is? The answer is bread. Bread is the most wasted food in the world. How I can turn bread leftover into miso. It has to be very simple and no need for special machinery or environment. Therefore, everybody can do it themselves. And the Bread.Miso.Making.Kit was born. And you need 100 grams of bread. I have two different magical liquid. So now, let me show you how to use it Bread.Miso.Making.Kit. Here is 100 grams of the bread. You need to tear bread into the small pieces. That kind of size. So now you can see all the bread turn into the small pieces. Then you need first magical liquid with white sticker on it. So this one. All this liquid into the bread and you mix it with a hand. After 2 weeks, this is something you will get. Now, I want you to put all this liquid into here. And you do the same things. Well, thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy the kit. See you!